everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 6 different DIYs that I did for my wedding. Now, I loved how all of these came out and it was so much fun to do. Let's get right into the video. For this first DIY, I'm taking my black frame that I got and I'm just taking out the back of it and these inserts. And I'm going to keep this to tape on the lettering to just have a better measurement of the lettering. And then I'm going to put this to the side and we're going to take the glass out. And we're going to be spray painting this. I already printed up my lettering. I'll leave down below what lettering I used. I used it on Pick Monkey and it's going to say love starts here, like that, and then it's gonna say D and J on the bottom. Now I'm gonna cut these up so that it could be on the frame a little bit better and so that I could get them more even tones. And then I got tape and I got a permanent, it's like Copic Chow, that's what it's called. The white, brick white coloring. So we're gonna tape these on like that, flip it over, and then I'm gonna do the white coloring. Thanks for showing me your entire ass. Next up, we're doing a fairy looking wreath and we're going to put these leaves around it with the hot glue gun and then put roses on top. We're going to pick these off. You'll need ribbon, a big white frame. I bought a 14 by 18 frame and then a hot glue gun because you will be hot glue gunning. Got these wreaths and this from the dollar store. So we're just gonna put it around the wreath how you want it. I should just take this off. I'm gonna take the leaf off this brown vine and just use the leaves on. DIY, we are doing a cupcake stand or a 3-tier. So we're gonna hot glue gun this to here, that to there, and there, and there. And then we're gonna spray paint it white. I'm doing 2 vases with baby breath that I got from Michael's, and then we're gonna put roses in that, and then we're gonna do a twine with these smaller ones and put them in there. So I'm just cutting the flowers some length because it doesn't fit into the vase. So you kind of have to like work with it because it's kind of like a wire, and just bend it both ways and it should snap pretty easy, and then it fits into the vase. I'm gonna do that with all of them. So you just cut one and then use that one as a guide to cut the rest. So this is what it comes out to. It's really simple to do. And with this one, we are going to hot glue twine around the jar, and we want to take out this piece of it. After you get the twine on, we're gonna put this inside here, but I'm gonna unwrap it because it isn't wrapped, and it also has a safety switch on thing on it. So we're gonna take that to make it the size of your jar. And these flowers I got at Michael's, and the jars too, but you could get the jars from Walmart if you want. So I'm gonna put those in there, and it's just gonna be a cheap, easy way to get flowers in if you're having a small ceremony, or even a big one if you wanna go with fake flowers versus buying real flowers. So if you really wanna get 2 of these, I got these at Michael's, so I'm gonna have to go to Michael's again to get it, to make it like a bouquet type of look, just to fill it up. But it's a super cute idea to do. And so these are the 2 flowers, and I'll have them spread apart around, and it's pretty simple and easy to do. Show you each of the DIYs here just so you have a different visual, and talk a little bit about them as well. First up, we have the cupcake trays that I made, or the tiers that I made, and these are what my favors are gonna be on. And with this, I spray painted it white. Now you want to spray paint it a couple coats because it will show through. On the top of each of these trays, I will have a small dolly on it. And then in the video, I showed that I hot glued it, but you're going to want to crazy glue it because when Devan was spray painting them, they did fall off. So the crazy glue or any other type of hardcore glue is gonna do a lot better than the hot glue gun. But they came out really cute and it was so cheap and affordable, and altogether this cost me altogether these 2 tiers cost me $10 because they were $1 each for each piece. So that was really simple and easy to do. Next up we have the flower wreath frame that I made. This came out so cute. I absolutely love this. We bought the frame from Michael's and I did the rest, and this wreath is all from the dollar store. The ribbon is from the dollar store. I just hot glue gunned it there, and the wreath piece itself was $1. The white rose petals were $1 and the green leaves were $1 as well. And I really love how it came out. It just looks so cute, and that was a really pretty cheap, besides the frame, DIY to make. Next up I have my P, because my last name will be Poisson, and we spray painted it rose gold. And I got this at Michael's, and I'll just have this placed up against something, and I really love the rose gold color theme that I'll have white and rose gold color, white, kind of green, and then rose gold color that I'll have. So that is the P. Next up, I really like how this came out. We bought a black frame from Michael's, and Devan spray painted it rose gold, and then we also wrote Love Starts Here, D and J, our initials. I kind of wish the wording was a little bit longer to fit the frame better, but when I tell you, this was really hard to do. We had to use a permanent white paint marker that we used, and Devan actually filled in the letters for me because I was running out of patience and it wasn't coming out the way I wanted it. And he's better at making smoother lines than I would, and he did a really great job, and I'm really appreciative that he helped me with this project. And it is time consuming, so know that this is time consuming. He went over the lettering a couple coats, probably 4 to 5 coats, just to make the white darker and to fill in the lettering and stuff. So know that this is a little bit time consuming, but the results are great, and I really, really love it. And we'll just place that towards the welcoming, where everybody will enter the chapel. And the last DIYs that I have for you are the flower arrangements that I made. Now, all of these are fake flowers, so if that's not what you're into, that's not what you're into. But since it's a small wedding, I just wanted to do something quick and affordable. So I got these baby breath flowers from Michael's, and I got the roses from the dollar store, and I got the vases from the dollar store, $1 a piece. I got these mason jars from Michael's, and I got these flowers from Michael's as well, and I just had to buy one more to fit in here. And then I put the twine around it with the hot glue. Now, originally I was doing hot glue all around, and I changed it and just did hot glue. I placed hot glue on the top, put the string on it, and then wrapped it around a couple of times, and hot glued it again, cut it, and then did it over again because the hot glue was showing more than the twine. So that was my mistake. But those are all the DIYs that I made for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all these DIYs. They were really fun to make. And make sure you make them a month prior to your wedding so that you're not stressing out and running out of time. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye, guys. My aunt and I are here in Las Vegas.